Kira.
Hi, it's Mia.
And today we're doing another video. Today I'm going to show you how to make a cake from scratch. Well, we will both show you how to make a cake from scratch. So the first thing
What's
we're going
that?
to do it's okay. So first we're going to put the dry ingredients in.
It's so
So this is flour.
Look. It looks like
But don't taste it, it's very tangy if you taste it. So here we've got salt, it's baking soda and baking powder. So now we'll do the wet ingredients. So 1 cup milk,
too much.
2 eggs. You want to do 1 egg? Don't get in the shower. Okay, just do it on here. Don't get in the shower. Now we're gonna put the oil. Wait, we'll add it because it's very full. It's fragile. But wait. It just plopped in. Okay. Two teaspoons of vanilla essence. 1, 2. It's still very wet.
Pop it in.
Okay, now
Mix.
we should mix. Now we're going to put the cakes in the oven. Make sure it doesn't burn. Half a pack of milk chocolate chips and half a pack of dark chocolate chips are in here right now. And now I'm going to put in some butter. Now we will wait for it to melt. Now we're going to put it in the fridge so it can chill. Now I just have to whisk it to make the icing. It's going to take a while. Wow! Now it's time to ice the cake. And that's how you make a chocolate cake from scratch. If you guys enjoyed the video, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. We'll see you in the next one, guys. Bye!